Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. I'm Heather, and today we're diving into the best luxury bedroom decor ideas. Get ready for some stunning inspiration and practical tips on creating your dream bedroom. Let's jump right in. This bedroom exudes elegance with its high ceilings, intricate wall paneling, and luxurious tufted headboard. I love the mirrored wall behind the bed. It adds depth and a touch of glamour to the space. The neutral color palette of soft taupe and cream creates a serene atmosphere, perfect for relaxation. The bench at the foot of the bed is a practical addition, offering a spot to sit while getting ready. If I could change one thing, I would add a pop of color, perhaps through accent pillows or a throw to break up the monotony and inject a bit of personality into the room. I absolutely adore the modern and eclectic mix in this bedroom. The textured accent wall behind the bed adds depth and interest, while the large windows let in plenty of natural light, making the space feel open and airy. The rich, dark tones of the bedding and lamps create a cozy and inviting atmosphere. I love the fur throw draped over the bed, adding a touch of luxury. The area rug ties the room together beautifully, adding warmth to the polished concrete floors. If I could change one thing, I would incorporate more storage solutions to keep the room tidy and functional. I love the vibrant and cheerful vibe of this bedroom. The light blue walls create a calming backdrop, while the pops of orange in the throw pillows and rug add a playful touch. The large framed artwork above the bed adds a focal point and ties the color scheme together. The matching nightstands and lamps bring symmetry and balance to the room. The cozy armchair in the corner is a perfect spot for reading or relaxing. If I could make one improvement, I would add some greenery, like a potted plant, to bring in a natural element and further brighten the space. This bedroom is a true epitome of luxury and opulence. I adore the grand, tufted headboard with its intricate detailing. It immediately catches the eye and sets a regal tone. The gold and silver color scheme exudes sophistication and richness, while the chandelier adds a touch of classic elegance. The heavy drapes complement the overall lavish feel, creating a cozy yet majestic atmosphere. I appreciate the mirrored nightstands, which enhance the room's sense of space and light. If I could change one thing, I would add a bit more contrast, perhaps with a different colored throw or accent pillows to break up the monochromatic look and add depth. I adore the serene and elegant feel of this bedroom. The soft color palette of whites and creams creates a calming atmosphere, perfect for relaxation. The plush textures, from the faux fur rug to the cushioned headboard, add a touch of luxury and coziness. The chandelier is a beautiful focal point, adding a classic and sophisticated element to the room. I love the large windows that let in plenty of natural light, making the space feel open and airy. The fireplace adds a cozy charm, perfect for colder evenings. If I could change one thing, I would add a splash of color with some vibrant throw pillows or artwork to bring more personality into the room. I'm captivated by the fusion of traditional and modern elements in this bedroom. The intricate wooden panels behind the bed add a touch of timeless elegance and cultural richness. The coffered ceiling with its soft lighting creates a warm and inviting ambiance. I love how the neutral tones of the bedding and area rug complement the dark wood, balancing the room beautifully. The large windows allow plenty of natural light, enhancing the spacious feel. The nightstands with their detailed carvings add to the room's character. If I could change one thing, I would add a statement piece of artwork above the bed to draw the eye upward and add an additional layer of visual interest. I love the serene and sophisticated feel of this bedroom. The light gray walls provide a calm backdrop, while the mirrored furniture adds a touch of glamour and reflects light beautifully. The tufted headboard and plush bedding create a cozy and inviting atmosphere. The crystal chandelier is a stunning focal point that elevates the room's elegance. The mix of textures, from the quilted bedspread to the fluffy pillows, adds depth and interest. I appreciate the small decorative touches like the frame pictures and white ceramic pieces, which add a personal touch. If I could change one thing, I would introduce a bit more color through accent pillows or a throw to add warmth and contrast. I love the cozy and inviting feel of this bedroom. The tufted headboard adds a touch of elegance, while the deep navy bedding provides a rich contrast against the neutral walls and carpet. The seating area by the window is a perfect spot for relaxation or reading, and the floral arrangement adds a fresh touch. The room feels spacious and well lit, thanks to the recessed lighting and large window. The abstract artwork above the bed adds a modern flair without overwhelming the space. If I could change one thing, I would add a statement rug to bring in more texture and warmth, further defining the bed area. I love the glamorous and cozy feel of this bedroom. The tall, tufted headboard makes a bold statement, while the all-white bedding adds a touch of elegance and serenity. The mirrored nightstands and lamps bring a sense of luxury and reflect light beautifully, enhancing the room's brightness. The patterned area rug adds texture and visual interest, grounding the space nicely. The crystal chandelier is a stunning focal point that ties the room together with a touch of sophistication. If I could change one thing, I would add a few colorful throw pillows or a vibrant piece of artwork to introduce some color and break up the monochromatic scheme. I'm really impressed by the serene and sophisticated look of this bedroom. The paneled accent wall adds a touch of classic, elegance, and depth to the space. The soft, neutral tones of the bedding and walls create a calming and inviting atmosphere. I love the symmetry of the bedside tables and lamps, which enhances the room's balance and harmony. The large window allows plenty of natural light to flood in, making the room feel bright and airy. The vase with pampas grass adds a trendy, natural element that complements the overall decor. If I could change one thing, I would add a textured throw blanket to the bed to introduce a bit more warmth and coziness. I love the luxurious and modern feel of this bedroom. The tufted headboard with mirrored accents adds a touch of glamour and reflects light beautifully, enhancing the room's brightness. The neutral color palette, with its soft grays and whites, creates a calming and sophisticated atmosphere. The plush bedding and abundance of pillows make the bed look incredibly inviting. The stylish chandelier is a stunning focal point that adds a contemporary flair. I appreciate the use of a bench at the foot of the bed for added seating and functionality. If I could change one thing, I would incorporate a splash of color, perhaps through decorative pillows or a throw, to add some visual interest and contrast to the neutral tones. I'm drawn to the clean and sophisticated look of this bedroom. The statement headboard, with its unique geometric design, adds a modern touch and serves as a beautiful focal point. The gray walls create a serene and calming backdrop, while the black nightstands add contrast and a touch of elegance. I love the symmetry and balance provided by the matching lamps and framed black and white photos, which add a personal and artistic touch. The white bedding, paired with soft gray pillows, keeps the room feeling fresh and inviting. If I could change one thing, I would add a pop of color, perhaps with a vibrant throw or a piece of artwork, to add some personality and warmth to the space. I absolutely adore the soft and cozy feel of this bedroom. The light gray walls create a calm and inviting backdrop, while the blush pink accents add a touch of femininity and warmth. The tufted headboard adds an element of elegance, and the chunky knit throw adds texture and coziness to the bed. The fluffy pendant light is a playful touch that complements the overall softness of the room. I love the small workspace tucked into the corner, making this room both functional and stylish. The fluffy rug adds warmth and comfort underfoot. If I could change one thing, I would add a bit more storage space to keep the room tidy and organized. I'm really impressed by the sleek and modern design of this bedroom. The textured accent wall adds depth and interest, while the minimalist color palette of grays and blacks creates a sophisticated and calming atmosphere. I love the unique lighting fixtures on the wall and ceiling. They add a contemporary flair and a touch of elegance. The plush area rug adds warmth and comfort, making the space feel cozy despite its modern aesthetic. The use of different textures, from the bedding to the rug, enhances the overall design. If I could change one thing, I would add a pop of color, maybe with some vibrant throw pillows or a piece of artwork, to inject a bit more personality and contrast. I'm in awe of the luxurious and elegant feel of this bedroom. The tufted headboard is a stunning focal point, adding texture and sophistication to the space. The monochromatic gray color scheme creates a calm and serene atmosphere, perfect for relaxation. I love the crystal chandelier. It adds a touch of glamour and complements the overall decor beautifully. The mirrored nightstands and lamps enhance the room's brightness and reflect light, making the space feel larger. The upholstered bench at the foot of the bed is both functional and stylish. If I could change one thing, I would add a splash of color through artwork, or throw pillows to introduce some personality and vibrancy to the room. Thanks for joining me on this tour of luxury bedroom decor ideas. I hope you found some inspiration for your own space. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe for more home design tips and ideas. See you in the next video.